गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं। ध्यान अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमाधिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Let us do from Gurumurti. गुरुमूर्तिर्गुणनिधिर्गो माता गुहजन्मभूः देवेशी दण्डनीतिस्था दहराकाशरूपिणी प्रतिपन्मुख्यराकान्ततिथिमण्डलपूजिता कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालापविनोदिनी सचामररमावाणी सव्यदक्षिणसेविता आदिशक्तिरमेयात्मा परमा पावनकृतिः अनेककोटिब्रह्माण्डजननी दिव्यविग्रहा क्लीङ्कारी केवला गुह्या कैवल्यपददायिनी त्रिपुरा त्रिजगद्वन्द्या त्रिमूर्तिस्त्रिदशेश्वरी त्र्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता उमा शैलेन्द्रतनया गौरी गन्धर्वसेविता विश्वगर्भा स्वर्णगर्भा वरदा वागधीश्वरी ध्यानगम्या परिच्छेद्या ज्ञानदा ज्ञानविग्रहा सर्ववेदान्तसंवेद्या सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिणी लोपामुद्रार्चिता लीला क्लुप्तब्रह्माण्डमण्डला अदृश्यादृश्यरहिता विज्ञात्री वेद्यवर्जिता. Little here. Next, so what we understood is Amma is the form of all the knowledge, the jnanam. She is the form of knowledge and she herself is knowledge, right? And she can be attained through meditation, that is dhyanam. And she is also all that we don't see, adrishya and drishya rahita. She doesn't have to be seen. She is all that we see and not. We don't see so much in this world. What we see is just 4%. So 96% of things are invisible to us. So all that unseen energy is Amma only, right? And she is the Vijnatri Vedyavarjita. She is the one who knows everything. Whatever we are understanding, if we are learning something, if we are understanding something, all that knowledge, who is understanding within us is Amma only. She is the one making us understand, right? And she doesn't have to understand anything else. She knows everything, right? So Vedya Varjita. Let's do the new verses. Who would like to chant with me?
Can I, Auntie?
Okay, Akshaya. Let's do. Yogini Yogada Yogya
Yogini Yogata Yoga
Yogya
Yogya
Yogini Yogada Yogya
Yogini Yogada Yoga Yogini Yogada Yoga
Yogya.
Yogya
Again.
Yogya
Yogananda
Yogananda Yogananda
Yugandhara
Ugandara Yugandara
Yogananda Yugandhara
Yogananda Yugandara Yogananda Yugandara
Yogini Yogada Yogya
Yogini Yogada Yoga
Yogya.
Yogya
Yes. Again.
Yogini Yogada Yogya
Perfect. Yogananda
Yogananda Yogananda
Yugandhara
Yugandara Yugandara
Yogananda Yugandhara
Yogananda Yugandara
again.
Yogananda Yugandara
Ichha Shakti
Ichha Shakti Ichha Shakti
Jnana Shakti
Jnana Shakti Jnana Shakti
Kriya Shakti
Kriya Shakti Kriya Shakti
Swarupini
Swarupini Swarupini
Kriya Shakti Swarupini
Kriya Shakti Swarupini Kriya Shakti Swarupini
Ichha Shakti Jnana Shakti
Ichha Shakti Jnana Shakti
again.
Ichha Shakti Jnana Shakti
Kriya Shakti Swarupini.
Kriya Shakti Swarupini Kriya Shakti Swarupini.
Perfect. So these verses are saying that Amma is yogini. She is always with that oneness. Yoga means union. So she's always connected to that self. She's always with Shiva, right? So she is always in that yoga, that union of oneness between Shiva and Shakti. So yogini, yogada. And she gives us also that, da means giving, right? So she gives us also that experience of oneness with ourself. So she gives that union. So that's why she is yogada. And yogya. Yogya means the one who is worth of it, who is worthy of it. She is the yogya. So we all worship her, right? Because she has the capability to bless us, to give us that oneness. So all that she does. So she is the one who is worthy to be worshipped, and she is the yogya. She has all the capability to do everything for us, right? So yogini, yogada, yogya, yogananda, yugandhara. And she gives that ananda, that happiness of oneness, yogananda. So when we are connected to ourselves, we experience that ultimate bliss, correct? So that happiness Amma gives. So yogananda, yugandhara. Yugandhara means we see all the yugas, right? The union. Yuga means union only. So every year is also considered to be yuga. So there are two things involved. So Uttarayana, Dakshinayana in a year. Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha, Shiva, Shakti. So always there are these two, day, night, right? So Amma is ruling this whole cosmos with this Yugandhara, holding everything in a perfect order. So she is, Dhara means holding. So she is, everything is in her control and she is holding these two things and ruling this cosmos. Okay. So Yogananda, Yugandhara. Then she is the one, the Shakti. She is one Shakti, but she is in three forms. Any activity we do, it is always in three. So we have the Ichha first. I want to do this. Suppose I want to cook today. So I'm planning. So I have the desire to cook. Just having desire, the food won't be ready, right? So I have to know how to cook. So that Jnanam I need. So that is Jnana Shakti. And then I need to actually make. So that is the action, Kriya. So I actually have to cook that food, only then food will be ready. Otherwise, simply thinking I want to cook, or I'll read all the recipes, YouTube videos, everything. But then if I don't cook, food won't be ready, right? So we need three things always. So even if you want to do any project, so I have to make this project. So just having desire, it won't be ready. The project won't be ready. You need to know how to do it, all the knowledge related to it. Then you actually have to do it. Correct? Only then the work will be done. And so all these forms of three energies is Amma. Swarupini means she is the form of all the three energies. So any activity we would like to do, it will have three things. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, and everything is her form only, that one Amma's form. Okay? Any questions?
No, auntie.
No? Very good. Okay, let us repeat once these two verses together. Oh, sorry, one second. Yogini Yogada Yogya Yogananda Yugandhara Ichha Shakti Jnana Shakti Kriya Shakti Swarupini. Next, who would like to go next with me? Anybody? Okay, Sitara, let's do.
Yogini Yogada Yogya Yogananda Yugandhara Ichha Shakti Jnana Shakti Kriya Shakti Swarupini.
Very nice, Nana. Good job. Let's do the new verses. Okay, repeat after me twice. Sarvadhara
Sarvadara Sarvadara
Supratishtha
Supratishta Supratishta
Sarvadhara Supratishtha
Sarvadara Supratishta Sarvadara Supratishta
Sadasad
Sadasad Sadasad
Rupadharini
Rupadarini Rupadarini
Sadasad Rupadharini
Sadasad Rupadarini Sadasad Rupadarini
Sarvadhara Supratishtha
Vadara Supratishta
Again.
Sarvadara Supratishta
Sadasad Rupadharini
Sadasadrupadharini Sadasadrupadharini
Ashtamurti
Ashtamurti Ashtamurti
Ajajaitri
Ajajaitri Ajajaitri
Ashtamurtirajajaitri
Ashtamurti Rajajaitri Ashtamurti Rajajaitri
Lokayatra
lokayatra, lokayatra,
vidhayini,
vidayini, vidayini,
lokayatra vidhayini,
lokayatra, vidayini, lokayatra, vidayini,
ashtamurtiraja jaitri,
अष्टमूर्तिरजायत्री, अष्टमूर्तिरजायत्री,
lokayatra vidhayini.
लोकयात्रा विदायिनी, लोकयात्रा विदायिनी.
It is yatra, dirgham, because two A's are there, right? That's why. Okay. What the verses say here is Amma is Sarva Adhara. So she is the foundation for everything, right? She is the Adhara. So everything is based on, depended on her only. Nothing can exist without her. No energy means nobody can talk, nothing. We can't sit, we can't stand, we can't do anything. She is the base for us, right? So Sarva Adhara Supratishtha means she is nicely settled in everything. Supratishtha. Pratishtha means she is there in everything. Within us, outside us, everywhere. So she is well placed. Supratishtha. Sat, Asat. So Sat means truth. And Asat means all that unreality that we see. But there is two different opinions in this. Few people also say Sat as the whatever we see as Sat, and Asat as because of which we are seeing. So that is like because the cause, which is the real actually. So because of that reality, we are able to exist, right? So that unseen thing is called Asat. And whatever we see as Sat. So two different opinions are there. So what we will understand here is whatever we see and whatever we don't see, whatever is the real and the unreal, illusory things that we see and the reality, both are Amma only. So Sat, Asat, Rupa Dharini. So Amma is having the form of all that we see, all that illusory things that we see, and also the invisible reality. Sat, Asat, Rupa Dharini. Then she is, how she is visible is in 8 forms. She is in Ashta Murti. Ashta is 8 and Murti means forms. So she is seen as 8 forms. Which are they? They are the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, space, plus 3. Which are the other 3? They are the body, mind, and intelligence, right? So she is in all these 8 forms. In Bhagavad Gita also it comes there. Bhumi, Rapo, Nalo, Vayu, Kammano, Buddhirevacha, like that it says. So Lord Krishna also says this Ashtamurti forms of the one energy, one divine. So one divine is in 8 forms that we see. All the 5 elements, the sun, the moon, and the third one is, there it says as the I-ness that we have. We say I, right? That I-ness as the 8th one. So in this world, everything runs on these 8 forms only. So Amma is spread everywhere in the cosmos in these 8 forms. There is no other thing other than these 8, right? Everywhere we see 5 elements only. And we see the sun, moon, and what we call as ourself, that I-ness we have. So Ashtamurti, Aja Jaitri. Aja means she can never be born. Ja means being born. Janma we say, right? Aja means she cannot be born. She's always there, right? So only when somebody is gone, somebody will again be born. She is always there, ever present. So no birth and death for her. So she's Aja. And Jaitri. Jaitri means like victorious. She is always the victorious one. Vijayadashami we celebrate, right? So where Amma is there, it's always victory only. So Aja Jaitri Lokayatra Vidhayini. Loka means all these worlds that we see. And in this our journey, Lokayatra Vidhayini. She makes our journey pleasant and she makes everything happen. Whatever is happening in this world is because of her. That's it. Any questions?
Clear, auntie.
Clear. Okay, smart kids. Let's repeat together. सर्वाधारा सुप्रतिष्ठा सदसद्रूपधारिणी अष्टमूर्तिरजा जैत्री लोकयात्रा विधायिनी. Okay, let's do individually. Who would like to go first? All the 4 verses from Yogini. Okay, Surya.
योगिनी योगदा योग्या योगानंद युगंधरा इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति स्वरूपिणी सर्वाधारा सुप्रतिष्ठा सदसद्रूपधारिणी अष्टमूर्तिरजा जैत्री लोकयात्र विदायिनी.
Yatra. Perfect. Just wherever there is 2 A's, you have to elongate the sound. Here also Yogananda. It becomes. Okay, next Sitara.
योगिनी योगदा योग्या योगानंद युगंधरा इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति स्वरूपिणी सर्वाधरा सुप्रतिष्ठा सदसद्रूपधारिणी अष्टमूर्ति अजाजयत्री लोकयात्रा विदायिनी.
Very nice. Anybody else? Nobody? All calm today? Okay. Shall we do another 2 verses? Or is it too much for you guys?
Auntie, I'll
You want to do? Okay.
योगिनी योगदा योग्या योगानंदा युगंधरा इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति स्वरूपिणी सर्वाधारा सुप्रतिष्ठा सदसद्रूपधारिणी अष्टमूर्तिरजा जैत्री लोकत्रा विदायिनी लोकत्रा विदायिनी
लोकयात्रा विधायिनी.
लोकयात्रा विदायिनी.
Very good. Good job. Anybody else? Okay. Let's do a final prayer, sir. Any other questions also? If you have general questions, you can ask me, okay? Okay, let's do. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankarah Pranavallabhe Jnanavairagya Siddhartham Bhiksham Tehi Cha Parvati Sarvamangalamangallye Shive Sarvarthasadhike Sharanye Trayambike Devi Narayani Namostute Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।